Hello kids. Today we will learn about water. As you all know, water is essential for all living things. Plants need water to grow and make food. Animals need to drink water to live. Before starting, I want to give you one tip. Students, we have to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water in a day because we need water to live. Human beings cannot live without water. In this chapter, we will study uses of water, different sources of water, and how we can save water. Okay, my dear kids, let's get started. All living beings need water to live. Water is used for various purposes such as bathing, drinking, cooking, washing and cleaning clothes, and watering plants. Importance of water. Water is essential for us in following ways. It is needed by all plants and animals. Plants require water for growth. It helps us to digest food. It helps to carry food to different parts of the body. It helps to remove waste materials from body. It is also used as a means of transport. It is used in factories to make different things. Different sources of water. There are mainly two sources of water: natural sources of water and human made. Example of natural sources of water are river, pond, lake, stream, waterfall, and example of human made sources of water are tap, dam, well, hand pump, tank, tube well, etc. Now we talk about water in food. Water is found in fruits and vegetables naturally. Some of the vegetables that contain water are cauliflower, tomato, radish, and cucumber. Some of the fruits that are rich in water are orange, watermelon, and strawberry. Water pollution. The contamination of water bodies, usually as a result of human activities, is called water pollution. The consumption of the polluted water causes so many diseases, health problems. Here in this list of different reasons that cause water pollution. First, throwing waste in water bodies. Second, releasing chemicals by factories. Third, discharge of sewage in water. Washing clothes in water bodies, and bathing animals in water bodies. Cleaning water for drinking. We can make the water fit for drinking by following methods. Boiling. This method kills the germs present in water. Filtering. It removes the impurities present in water. RO system. Nowadays, RO is used by people to purify the drinking water, as water in river, lake, ponds and well is not fit for drinking. It contains so many little living beings called germs which make water unfit and dirty. Thus there is a need to make our water clean by boiling, filtering and using RO system. There is so many diseases which can cause by drinking impure or dirty water. Following are the diseases: typhoid, diarrhea and cholera. Students, there is a life skill point. Clean water is necessary for good health. Therefore, we should keep drinking water covered and we should not throw waste in water bodies. We must close the tap after use. We should avoid shower while bathing and the use of a bucket and mug. We should not waste water while brushing teeth. We should reuse the water from kitchen in different activities. We should water the plants by using bucket and a mug instead of pipe. These are the steps through which we can save water. We should not waste water because it is very useful for all the living beings. World Water Day is celebrated annually on 22nd March. Thank you.